What's going on, peoples? Just wanted to let you know I got my final delivery from my lighting package from Lume Cube. It showed up today. I swear, getting packages delivered nowadays is like looking for Easter egg hunts. They're always just scattered all over the yard. You got to go out and find them. But this is it. This is the package I've been waiting for, and I'm super stoked to unbox and see what Lume Cube has inside. All my wife's, so I'm just gonna open it for her though. So I found this guy, and this was 80 bucks at Best Buy. It's the Sunpack LED 330, and it's probably made by another brand, but I did find it at Best Buy for 80 bucks. I'm happy with the kick. I'm happy with the overall throw. It's adjustable, and the LEDs are temperature variable, which means that you can go and adjust it to a 32 Kelvin setting, also to 0 to 100% adjustment in intensity. And then you got these barn doors. Not too thrilled about the barn doors, especially this bottom one here. On mine, right out of the box, was just kind of just flapping, just kind of not really doing anything. You tip it up to try and knock some light out and just flap on down. Brand new. So that was unfortunate. Like right now, I think I'm rocking it at about 50%. Oh no, that was color temperature. So there's 56, going over 32 Kelvin, and let's see if I can find that happy medium. Let's say about 44 right there. I like is 0%, 50%, 100%. I'm gonna go back down to about 70, and yeah, I'm happy with that. It also comes with a little diffusion. So there's a plastic diffuser that slides in the side and will cover it. So aside from this that has already been unboxed, let's go ahead and unbox our Lume Cubes and see what's in store. You should see this. It's just one of the most beautiful things. Oh God! They're my wife's. Let's unpack the box. So I'm super stoked and really happy. I finally got the rest of the lighting for our home studio. We're going to be using this to help illuminate our discussions with my Myasthenia Gravis community on my wife's page, LAMG Champions, on YouTube. She also has an Instagram if you hashtag LAMG Champions. MG is short for Myasthenia Gravis, grave muscular disorder. There is no cure, but we're hoping that we can get her into remission. It is also known as the snowflake disease, which no two patients have the same symptoms. So each patient is very unique, as my wife is, and we're going to help tell her story with gear such as this. The Lume Cube is going to be used for a variety of things. For the most part, it's going to be for the vlogging. We're going to be using the panel for fill. We're going to check this bad boy out. I haven't seen the penny. I haven't seen the penny panel. I haven't seen the mini panel. I have one of these. Opened it up. I'm really happy with this, and I have a feeling I'm not going to be disappointed with this either. They're really well made. And then again, speaking to DSLR camera mount. It's an additional mount that I can use for a cold shoe on any of these rigs that I have for the phone, which will allow me to rig microphones, lights, so on and so forth. Suction cup. Beauty about this bad boy is it has the 1/4-inch thread. That means that I could even potentially put one of those Joby brackets onto this, mount my phone, and go for a ride. It'll be a bumpy ride, but you get the picture. Suction mirror. If you have a mirror next to your computer and you're on a teleconference or whatnot, you can always mount a light or even your phone with a bracket onto those suction mounts. So we like suction mounts. Make sure that you follow directions when applying. Last thing you want is an $800 phone to fall because the suction mount wasn't applied correctly. Again, other kind of brackets. This is Lume Cubes bracket here, another cold shoe mount, handheld for selfie. It's basically a bicycle handle grip for a lot of money. Additional data cable. So this is, and I just lost my light because this is what happens when you don't charge batteries. Anyways, with that being said, a lot of stuff here. We're good with lighting, except for that one. And we're going to do a review on the Sun Pack also. I think it's fair to say that the Sun Pack is as good as its user. And as you can see, this user forgot to charge his batteries. So please, if you go wireless, charge your batteries. I can't emphasize enough. I'm glad it happened because you got to see examples such as that to see how it can affect your content. So no light, still got sound, still got a little ambient light. But with that being said, that is my unboxing of the final shipment of Lume Cube product that I'm going to be purchasing for Modern Revolution and LAMG Champions. But all the gadgets, all the gear, you can find it in the hashtag. Ow, that box hit me. Find the hashtag campaign down below, and they'll link you to the sources: Dre Beats, Audio-Technica, Lume Cube, iPhone, Manfrotto, Rode mics. I already said Lume Cube. So you get the hint. Like, share, subscribe if you're watching this on one of those platforms. Hit the bell so you can be alerted when new content is coming up. Again, we're living in a time where everybody's rush, and we want answers now. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to build content accordingly, appropriately, and as I feel. And hopefully, if you stick around, you'll get some pearls of wisdom and a chuckle or two. And if you don't, well, stick around, please. Don't go. Smoker's cough, man. So go ahead, subscribe, come on! It's time to get to studying. A lot of reading coming up, a lot of reading. For those of you that are in school, God bless you. You deserve every credit you're getting and working for. Business 101.